problem 1 asks us to identify the object of interest, the lens or the mirror, and the principal rays in the following ray diagram. So starting with the object of interest, it's usually going to be found by looking for a bolded arrow. And if you can't find the bolded arrow on this diagram, another feature that'll help you find it is looking for DO. That's going to mean the distance of the object. So if you follow the arrow all the way over to this point and all the way up, you can see where the bolded arrow is. And so the object would probably sit right about here. Looking for the lens or the mirror, you're not going to have both a lens and a mirror. You're going to have either a lens or a mirror. It's going to be a long, slender-looking object. And in this problem, it's going to be a lens. It's going to be right there. So a lens looks like this. A mirror is either going to look like this or like this. So that's going to be a lens. And then the principal rays are the rays that reflect through the lens or the mirror, and they're depicted by small arrows. So this one, and this one are going to be your principal rays. Let me know if you have any questions about example problem 1.